Hey everyone, so I'm super excited to share this with you. Your favorite chat client has now learned WordPress. So whether you use Claude, ChatGPT, Claude Code, whatever, you can now control WordPress with the WPVibe MCP. So let me show you how it works here. So basically we're just going to tell it to create a blog post. Hey, can you please create a blog post on the SeedProd site with WPVibe and give it a title, 5 Ways AI Will Change How We Build WordPress Websites. All right, so what this will do, and let me tell it to make it a draft, and make it a draft. All right, so what this will do is it will contact our site. So I've already connected our site. Stay till the end and I'll show you how to install this plugin and set it up absolutely free. So it's contacting our website, it's writing the post right now, and I'll show you in just a second here what happens. All right. So it's written the post here. It actually automatically switched over to the post for us, and it's got the link here and we can review it. So this is cool. So now I'm going to say, all right, let's go into edit mode. I want to edit this site and I want to find a featured image for it. All right. So let's see what happens here. So one thing unique about WPVibe is we have a live reload. So whatever you do, it'll automatically reload the site for you and update the view. You can also tell it to navigate, so we can navigate to the settings, the dashboard, etc., and it will all just work here. All right, so it switched over for us. All right, so it's giving us previews here. So I'm just gonna say surprise me. So I'm not gonna click show. Well, let's see if show image works. Oh yeah, it'll open it up in a new tab here. All right, I'm just gonna say, okay, just surprise me and add one. All right, so it should add one. There it goes. It's added it for us. Perfect. We've got a little image here and we're good to go. All right. This looks great. Please schedule it to post tomorrow. All right, and we'll do that. And it will schedule it to post tomorrow, and that's it. Now again, this is just the start. We have a ton of features upcoming for this, and we'll be adding a lot more stuff, so stay tuned. And now if you want to see how to install it yourself for free, watch this next tutorial. Okay, so how do you add it? So it's super easy to do. So again, we'll have tutorials for each chat client, but this is how you do it with Claude.ai. So we're just going to go here and go to settings, and then we're going to click on connectors, and we're going to add custom connector, and we'll just give it a name. And then what we want to do is we want to copy the MCP URL. So I'm just going to open up this. I'm going to go to WPVibe.ai, and then it gives it to us right here. Copy that in and hit add, and this will add it. And then we hit connect, and then we'll just put in an email. All right. And now this will send us a one-time auth link. So let me go to my Gmail. We'll click here. We should see it pop up. There it is. Click here. And now we are connected. So next we'll just copy this in and add the sites. All right, so we are connected. Now we'll just do a new chat, and we'll say, and we'll connect SeedProd. All right. And now it should contact our SeedProd site with this MCP, and it will give us a authorization link that we can click on, and it will connect us securely to our WordPress site. So as you can see here, it gives us a link, and we're going to click on it, open, and I'm going to just click yes, I approve. All right, it'll say site connected. Then we can just go back here, and we can say, okay, I've just connected it. Can you tell me, get the site info for SeedProd? So that's it. It's super easy to use. And again, I would love to hear your feedback, would love to hear what kind of features you want, etc. And we'll keep improving this.